Alright, so today we're going to talk about scientific notation. What scientific notation is just a way to write very large numbers or very small numbers in a more compact form. So let's say we have the number 3,700,000,000. It's a pretty long number to write. So to put it into scientific notation, you have to move your decimal until you have a number between 1 and 10. So your decimal starts over here. So I'm going to move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now I have a number between 1 and 10, being 3 and 7/10. 3 and 7/10 is between 1 and 10. And I moved it place values, and each place value is worth 10, because we have a base 10 system. And then I moved it 9 times, so my exponent on that is going to be 9. So let's try another one. Let's try 2,555,000. So again, start with that decimal, move it till you get a number between 1 and 10. So in this case, I'm moving it 6 times. So I have 2 and 55 hundredths times 10. It's always going to be times 10 because of our number system. And in this case, I moved it 6 times, so my exponent is 6. Alright, so now I have a really small number, 0.00045. So again, first step, move that decimal until you get a number between 1 and 10. So in this case, I moved it 5 times to get 4 and 5/10. 4 and 5/10 between 1 and 10. Times 10. Still base 10 system. And I moved that 5 times, but this time I moved it the opposite direction, so it's a -5. So let's look at one more of those. So let's say I have 0.0000013. So again, move that decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times to get 1 and 3/10 times 10. I moved it 7 times, so that's -7. Alright, so now we're going to change scientific notation into standard form. So my first one is 5 and 8/10 times 10 to the 4th. So that 4 tells me I need to move my decimal point 4 places. Doesn't mean I add 4 zeros, it means 4 place values. So I start with that 5 and 8/10. I move the decimal 4 places. And every time I don't have a digit above it, I put a 0. So in this case, I'm adding 3 zeros to give me 58,000. So the next one, I got 3 and 65 hundredths. So again, start with your decimal. My exponent is 6, so I need to move the decimal 6 place values. So I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And put zeros where I don't have digits. So now I have 3,650,000 as standard form. Alright, so now we're going to work with negative exponents. So same process. Start with your decimal, 2 and 3/10. And this is times 10 to the -4th. Because it's negative, I have to go the opposite way. So I'm going to the left. And I'm going 4 place values. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, put zeros above where you don't have digits. So now I have 0.00023. And we'll work on the last one. So 5 and 82 hundredths. Our exponent is -6, so I need to go 6 place values. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So add 5 zeros in there. So now I have 0.0000582. So that is how you put a number in scientific notation and turn a number in scientific notation into standard form.